Hey everybody, it's Greg Rice from Nexus Property Management. We're here at Nexus's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and today is Wednesday, so that means, yes, we have to do our payroll. All right, every week, our guys and gals that work here, they want to get paid. Who would have thought? So what we've done over the years is made a ton of progress in this field. When we first started, Nick and I were doing payroll by hand. Okay, we were processing each invoice manually through Excel, and it was a total disaster. It took hours and hours to accomplish with two of us doing it. But what we've done is we've since built our own proprietary software, which means we own it. We own 100% of the rights to it, and we also still make daily and weekly updates to it. It's called Nexus Back Office. Okay, and this is a software that we use here at the Rhode Island office as well as our other franchise locations. And what this does is it enables all of your workers, your maintenance technicians, your leasing agents, your general manager, your inspectors, all of the people that are out there pounding the pavement each and every day get to submit their invoices. You can quickly review them and press go. Once you press go, the payroll does itself and automatically spits out a neat and clean PDF document, one page of all your employees, their wages, their materials, their totals, and then you can ship it off to payroll or do it yourself, and problem is solved. Okay, we're doing it in minutes and seconds. We used to do it in days and hours. Long time, a lot of wasted time, a lot of labor hours that we were paying for staff to do something that could be 100% automated. And on top of this, not only is the payroll done, but the materials, the records keeping, all of those internal purchases that you need to monitor from Home Depot, from the plumbing supply house, from the paint store, whatever it is, we're also monitoring and keeping records of these materials, and if the technician doesn't bill it out, it gets automatically withheld from their paycheck. So you don't need to even think about tracking materials, which is a company's number one thorn in their side, tracking purchases on those company credit cards. So we do all that for you. This Nexus Back Office is a lifesaver, a cost saver, and a time saver. So if you're interested in learning more about this software and the Nexus way of life, contact me directly and we'll get started today. Once again, Greg Rice from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.